welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a rickroll video. So I'm showing this on my iPad because I made that one on my iPad that you saw. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, first of all, you would need to go to this site. This is a site where you get the rickroll video. So you want to rickroll someone, but you don't have the "Never Gonna Give You Up" song video. So you would like to go on this website on Safari, any browser that you use, and download this video. And once you download it, because I have already downloaded, you would like to close that and go into iMovie, as you see, make a movie, and select the rickroll thingy, the rickroll. Yeah. Okay, so you have this right now, the song. Yeah, we don't need to hear that. I don't want to get rickrolled. I don't like being rickrolled. Okay, so you add a plus here, and you can add like a background, or I don't know, anything that you want. So you're gonna make wait, let me just do this. Like, for example, I'm just gonna take this one and here, and we have this background right here, and it's gonna last only like 5 seconds, and then it's gonna switch on to the rickroll song. Okay, so here you wanna say anything, like, for example, I don't know, just pick any text you want to do. Like, I want to do standard. So I'm just gonna type like, OMG guys, I hatched sinister. No, that doesn't exist anymore. I mean, it exists in Bubblegum Simulator, but it's not available anymore. Because it was limited. So like, OMG guys, I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max, for example. By the way, guys, I'm doing an example. It's not like that I really got it. It's just an example. Pro Max, and you type here, reveal. You can just type in. You just can type the reveal in 3, 2, 1 here. 3 dot 2 dot 1. So you want to do that to take their time. So when they're gonna read it, they're not gonna realize that it's only 5 seconds. So it's gonna switch over to the rickroll song. 3, 2, 1, and here is gonna be like, I don't know, you could do just like the 3, 2, 1 thingy right here. But if you don't want to, then it's okay. Let me just see. I just wanted to check something. Okay, so we got this right now. And here we go. You can just watch it right now. Uh, wait. I think there's a problem, so I'm just gonna do it really quick. You don't need to, guys. You don't need to, guys. Wait, just skip. You can just skip. Okay, add text. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Reveal in 3. Oopsie. 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, so when you have done that, just look how it's done right now. Okay, I'm leaving how it is right now. So here we go. OMG guys, I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max revealing. No, I got rickroll. And they're gonna be like that. So when you're done, just, hit that done button. And it's gonna save. So this is the My Movie 35 seconds. So that's how it's gonna last. And after that, you would want, if you do that, you just go publish it on YouTube. And after you've done that, you go to YouTube Studio and make a thumbnail, because when you're gonna publish the video, they're gonna see the rickroll thumbnail, because it's just like that. Because just don't ask me, okay? Cause when I published it for the first time, there was a problem with the thumbnail, because it saw like the thumbnail was with Rick Astley on it, so and that was a problem. And if you would wanna change the thumbnail of a video, just go to YouTube Studio. Then go onto any video like this. My guys, I hashed King Doggy from BGS, and also remember to not make it too obvious, because that's not good. Don't make it too obvious. Don't make it too obvious, because that's not good. They're just gonna get rickrolled when they're gonna see the title. So just don't make it too obvious. Like for example, to edit. Like this pencil, you see this? Edit, yeah, and then you see this, and then you're gonna go into here, and you're gonna press on the screen, on the thumbnail that you see right here. And what I saw first was this, Rick, yeah, and that was the problem. So you could select any thumbnail that it's gonna show in your thingy. So yeah, okay, so this is how to make a rickroll video. I just showed you it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you later. Bye!